What's up guys? For today's video I'm doing a review of M-Way Selfie Stick with Bluetooth, which I'm actually using right now. So I'm going to change cameras and we'll jump right into this review. Okay, so here we are with the M-Way Selfie Stick and everything else that's included with the package. You get a little instruction guide, a carry case, a wrist strap, keychain strap, tripod, a phone holder, and the remote trigger via Bluetooth. Now, I'm going to jump to this really quick. You're going to get a battery, and all you got to do is turn this counterclockwise, and it should pop off. You put the CR2032 battery in there, and lock it back up. And what you do is hold this down for about a second or two until it turns blue. Then you want to jump over to either an Android or iPhone device, and you're going to go to your Bluetooth and make sure that's turned on. And you're going to look for photo shot. Once you see that photo shot is connected, you're going to jump back to your camera, and from here you should be able to take a picture via Bluetooth. And that worked. And if I go to video, I can start and stop video as well. And you can do time lapse and any other function that your camera has. To turn that off, just hold this down for another 3 seconds. And I'll blink. Now what's good about the M-Way Selfie Stick is that it comes with a little holder for that Bluetooth trigger, and it also is removable, so you can take this off of this if you wanted to. And let's say you want to use your camera on your phone on just the tripod and then take a selfie. You could mount this right here. Then you could walk away about 10 or 20 feet and take your picture using just the Bluetooth trigger. And you don't always have to use the selfie stick if you don't want to, which is a great feature, because some selfie sticks that I've seen in the past, they were attached to the handle and you couldn't take it off. So the fact that it's removable is a good feature. Now if we jump to the selfie stick, you can see right here it's GoPro compatible, which is really convenient. And you could also put smaller cameras on here as well. So that's pretty handy. To open it up, simply just turn it counterclockwise and just pull. This extends to around 32 inches, and when you close it up, it's about 8 inches. To snap this on, just push it right here, and now you have your Bluetooth connected to your handle. So that's pretty easy peasy. Now what's good about this set is you get everything here for around $23 on Amazon, but I also seen it as low as $18 to $20 on eBay. So I think you get a decent amount of stuff for your money. I know there's a lot of competition when it comes to selfie sticks, so definitely shop around. So far I really like this thing. I haven't had any connectivity issues with the Bluetooth, and I've had it for about a week. So hopefully that remains consistent. So definitely check this out. I'm going to put a link in the description below if you're interested. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Take it easy. Bye.